needs a food review when your tail writes 5 stars for you? The wind is literally trying to rearrange his DNA.
Watching.
And out. You ain't got it. It comes over here. And you pat it.
Try not to let your cat pet you.
What are you doing over there? Huh? You okay?
Cats don't follow the rules. They create them.
Oh, hello.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing?
Who's that?
Future Olympic gold medalist in the puppy volleyball category.
This is seriously what happens when someone doesn't get immediate attention.
Hey. Ah! Hey!
Oh no! No! This.
Wonderful. Judges?
Petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone.
Come here.
Nala. Kiss your sister. Good.
let you outside. There's no swimming. I don't want you swimming. Herbie, I said no swimming. You don't.
Friend, oh, hello. Hello.
Stopped. Good boy. Very good. Good job.
A pig and giving it some gentle pets.
Naughty bird! Naughty bird!
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Wow. Hola. Hola. Now he's saying hola. Hola.
April.
mamá. 아이고, 아이야, 아이야. 야, 아이고.
Guy is protective of the dryer.
Yo, oh. Meow. It's the second I get it.
Every inch forward is a heroic achievement for this little dude.
Loves getting a massage.
Go, Cooper!
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I'm gonna drop it.
Goliath! No, Goliath! 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 Goliath!
Doing it on purpose. So you aim it harder every time.
Hey, baby boy. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Did you rip up that napkin and eat the cookie that was inside? Let me see those claws. Uh-oh. I can't even with these two right now.
This Airbnb came with an unexpected feature.
Your babies. Oh my gosh.
Cats will drop everything for their feeder.
Up, up, up. Come on. Good boy.
Oh no.
Bruh. Fix that neck. Ronan. Bruh.
Horse.
Oh my God.
Girl, good girl, good bestie. You're a good girl, good bestie. Hey!
Inside out, you should post that.
Oh no! Hooch! They took your bones!
Whether he loves or hates this.
No. 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 You keep going.
Is obsessed with cream.
And some pizza, and I bought some cream.
It's like to keep their pets in their hoodie. Something close to your heart. You can whip it out when you need to. Good morning, Buford.
No! Hey! Hey! You are a fox. Funky.
Good girl, Mocha. Ah, Mocha. Look at her.
Miller, come on! Oh my god!
She thinks there's a dog in my shirt.
And carries around dog treats in case he runs into any dogs.
Up. Isu. Up. Up.
This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
This freaking dog
Flipped the deadbolt. She flipped the deadbolt while I went to go check the mail. And I didn't bring my...
What kind of bird are you? I'm an Amazon. Amazon. Amazon parrot. Huh, Gumby. Gumby. She's very smart. What did that...
That one curious relative who somehow knows every bit of family gossip.
Chicken to become an eagle.
Hershey?
Go, boy. Go. Let it go.
That's right.
¿Qué andas haciendo tú tomando agua?
No, Capos. Hello. It looks like you're biting her.
Creepies.
Oh shit.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. Go be big. Good.
Vai não. Caraca, vai louco. Não vai não, que ela tem mesmo, fica desorientado.
When everyone's on the same Wi-Fi, milk connection's strong.
His name is John C. Hey, Kevin. Kev. Oh, you good, bro? You got it? It's a little different than...
Bad dog.
Fox. Phone.
No! Put my finger.
No, you jumped over these double big.
You are, man. I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Good boy, Kenneth.
What's going on here?
Oh my god. Oh.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Nice. Be nice. Ow. Stop. Hey. Hey. I'm not.
Is it time for smelling salts?
What's this? Oh,
Seen a dog this excited for his tennis ball. Anything for bacon.
hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Você neguinho pra viver? Ah, então dá ele. Daí, só. Ó, dinheiro pra viver.
Sliding down the stairs. Doesn't remedy it.
Hey, now let me see those teeth. Time to leave it. Look, guys.
Oh my god, that's so too mad.
Oh my, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through. Oh! Oh!
Good boy! Good boy! Look at your little taps! Good job!
You could pet me. I'm sorry.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You!